Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and to the financial markets. And today was a very wow day for me. So actually when I saw this news popping up on my screen, guys, I was like, what the? And wow, and it was simply crazy. So today is an extremely good day, of course, for gaming stocks in general, because they were all going up together with Activision Blizzard, where Microsoft is now set to buy Activision Blizzard in a 68.7 billion all cash deal. So Microsoft is going to buy Activision in all cash, so no stocks. So not that Activision stock shareholders will get Microsoft shares for this, of course not. So guys, I don't need to explain to you who Activision is. I'm normally, I think that you know it, but they make Call of Duty, and they have Call of Duty Mobile, and they have other mobile games, and mostly of course they have World of Warcraft, Diablo, StarCraft, etc., Warcraft, etc., all those Blizzard games. So guys, we know, or you know my videos, so let's head over to my Gaming Fin. This is my channel, and guys, in this video I was talking about Activision Blizzard stock. So ATVI is the stock ticker, and of course, my friends, I was writing watch out now for the next moves, and I was saying already in this video something big is coming, but little did I know, my friends, little did I know, I was making this video here at $62, little did I know that we're actually going to see this acquisition. And what was and yeah, the acquisition is going to be now in 23. It shall be fulfilled, and Bobby Kotick will stay for a transition period, as far as we know for now, and the stock was going on 30% up to date, which is really impressive. So I was talking in my latest video that we might fall back to this diagonal trend line and even to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. So this was a little bit what I expected, and then I told you in this video that I would buy more. Of course, now it's not coming to this. Maybe Activision Blizzard will fall a little bit again, but normally I expect Activision Blizzard to really go to the $95, because that's the whole plan. $95, I think it's somewhere here written on the CNBC article. So the idea is to get the price means Microsoft will pay 95 per share for Activision. So a 68.7 billion all cash deal. This is not all set in stone, my friend. So there are competition authorities in the US, and they're going to check this, in my opinion. Microsoft bought already LinkedIn in 2016, and they recently bought, for example, from Zenimax, Bethesda, another huge gaming company. And if you look now here on the Xbox Game Pass, so I will link you also my video what I was making about the gamers' perspective on this deal. But here on this channel, of course, we talk about the mere shareholder stock investing perspective. So Microsoft gets much more powerful in this sense for the gaming industry, my friends. This is really something we need to keep in mind. So they get so powerful that they have like all those impressive brands from Activision Blizzard, and you can see here that's the Activision Blizzard launcher with Call of Duty, with Diablo, with World of Warcraft, etc., StarCraft, Overwatch, all of those brands. So then they have now Elder Scrolls, Doom, and all of those brands. So, and hey, they're completely mastering the field. On the other hand, you have to see they are in competition with a company like Tencent, of course. They're in competition with Tencent, and they might be a little bit in competition with Take-Two, a little bit competition with PlayStation, because they're not really in competition with PlayStation. You can also say they are actually much more in competition, guys, now with Facebook, Meta, Google, because the Xbox Game Pass, they think this should become like a games as service subscription model. So the idea is to create this metaverse, and there you can stream your games. So this is the overall idea behind this. This is not happening now immediately in the next 3 years. Streaming is already happening a little bit, but it's still niche, since the internet connections in most countries, also Western countries, Western European and the US, is not that good, that streaming is at the moment on the level of having your desktop PC. So yeah, well, all those games, are they coming then also to Steam? Are they coming to the Game Pass? Or will they stay with the Battle.net launcher? I will discuss this in my Gamer's Perspective video. Let's jump back, guys, to the chart. So that's what we see now. So I hope it's progressing to the $95, since I made a couple, I made good money today. I have to say, yeah, little disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a retail investor that likes video game stocks and likes to talk about this, and I make up your own mind, of course. And even if I talk a lot a bit of video game stocks, I didn't know this coming, of course, since who knew this? I mean, only the Microsoft CEO and the Activision Blizzard CEO and other people from the company obviously knew it. But this is the chart, and the chart is beautiful, and what we see now is it's simply crazy. So personally, I hope it goes up and to $95, and then I get paid out $95, and then I'm fine, and then I take this money and invest it somewhere else, of course. If it continues going up, then maybe I even sell before the deal is going through, because I take then this money and can invest it then in some other stocks that are falling right now, because guys, that's very important. We see today the Nasdaq falling 2.5%, which is also massively. So this is now the Nasdaq 100 index. You see there, everyone thought like, oh look, good that actually everyone was buying the dip, but now we're back at the dip. So situation is at the moment not so much fun for investors, but it will get better. It will get better. Don't worry, guys. I mean, even if you have to wait maybe 6 more months, it will get better. So I'm a long-term investor, and even with all this, the financial, with the interest rate, the Fed situation, I don't think we will see now a massive crash. Maybe we see a Nasdaq going to 1400, who knows, something like this. But guys, honestly, no one knows, and therefore time in the market beats market timing, of course, guys. So that's important. Yeah, check out my other videos on gaming industry and finance, of course. So there where you see other interesting companies, Square Enix, Capcom, Zynga also. I was talking always about Zynga. I bought Zynga stocks, and then also this deal was coming with Take-Two Interactive. So pretty amazing deal. So CEO Bobby Kotick will stay in a transition phase, and this is really a massive deal. I mean, 7.5 billion acquisition was the price for Bethesda. This is already a lot. And yeah, will they become the gatekeeper of gaming for PC gaming? Yeah, well, we still have Steam Wolf, and I don't think that Gabe Newell will easily get out of this game. And then also we have Tim Sweeney for which is Epic Games, and they are related a little bit to Tencent, because Tencent has stakes in Epic Games. I mean, I would say from a competition point of view, there are still a lot of other huge gaming companies, and also Sony. But yeah, from a gamer's perspective, I said in the other video, I don't really like this. From an investor's perspective, I mean, I have to live with it since I always like my Activision stocks, but I loved my stock, Activision Blizzard stock here. I even sold something in the 90s, and I'm happy also to get my $95 for it. I mean, investing means also to make some money. I mean, that's important. So what happened with the Microsoft stock today was falling 2.37% today. So it looks very similar here, like the Nasdaq. So the Microsoft in the Microsoft chart is a bit like the Nasdaq chart. So I mean, even this, it's those roundabout 68 billion US dollar are not pocket money for Microsoft. I mean, it's not so much, but it's not pocket money. I mean, we have to also keep this in mind, guys. And then also another stock that profited from it, and here I was also telling you already. So we had a very interesting Fibonacci retracement, and what happens? We rebounded massively here, also 11-12% for Ubisoft. Now everyone thinks like Ubisoft is going to be bought also by one of the big companies. can buy Ubisoft. Is it also Microsoft? I doubt this. I mean, I doubt that competition authorities would allow this, because we know all the history with Ubisoft. Vivendi wanted to buy Ubisoft, wanted to have a wanted to take over Ubisoft, and actually the CEO of Ubisoft was trying everything that this not happen. So therefore Ubisoft is still sovereign in this sense. So let's put it like this. So I think Ubisoft is still for me an interesting company, and I don't think that the 12% will be viable. We will fall back to this. It's simply a matter of trend. We will fall back to this diagonal trend line, but for a longer term, and maybe also for the next years, I'm staying invested in Ubisoft. I'm also invested, of course, in Microsoft, guys. So I'm also not selling Microsoft. Looking at this, why would I sell Microsoft now? I mean, there's also no point in this. And as I said, so Activision, I have to read a little bit more, which is happening if I really get my $95, or is it just approximately that I get those $95? So of course I have to do a little bit more research for this, and this is also then determining if I want to sell my Activision Blizzard stake now, or wait actually until the acquisition is going through, that I get all this money. From this point of view, it's okay. I can live with this. As a gamer, I don't like it, and we have to see what the competition authorities say. I mean, with Microsoft, we create a huge monster of gaming, which definitely has, with King, that's the developer of Candy Crush, we have a lot of possibilities actually to have a company that is able to be in competition with Tencent, and not so much Sony PlayStation. And to be honest, with all those supply chain issues with Sony's PlayStation 5, I mean, I wanted to have a Sony PlayStation 5. I still don't have a Sony PlayStation 5. I mean, that's really an issue. So Sony is going to have problems, and everyone can have a PC and plays Xbox games with Xbox Game Pass, but Sony has a problem here, guys. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this, my friends, this video. This was the big announcement. Of course, a lot of other gamers and analysts and financial advisors or whatever, YouTubers, influencers talked already about this subject, but guys, don't forget, I talk about other games companies, and I profited from Zynga. I profit now from Activision Blizzard. I was always invested. I always bought when they were falling, and I tell you, for example, in this video, I tell you that you should not believe all this BS that is coming here on Kotaku, guys, because yeah, well, they're just creating a bubble here, which is the real shareholder doesn't care. And on my channel here, on this channel, we care about money, how to make money. We don't care about the negativity. Also, I talked here already about this negativity. For example, Activision Blizzard, massive chances after crash, now a buy. So there, for example, I talked about this, and people were saying, "Oh, Mike, Mr. why you saying this?" Well, guys, I'm here to make money. I'm not here to talk about the situation with the employees at Activision Blizzard. I don't care about this. So now I get, of course, a lot of thumbs down, guys, but I don't care about this either, because that's not the purpose of this channel, my friend. So all right, thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.